Another day, another story. Introduction. Hey there, future investors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of investing. If you're new to investing and want to grow your wealth over time, this video is for you. We'll guide you through the fundamentals of investing and provide you with some beginner-friendly tips. Let's jump in. Step 1. Understand the basics of investing. Before we begin investing, it's important to understand the basics. Investing is the act of putting your money into assets with the expectation of generating a return or profit over time. There are different types of investments, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Example 1. Imagine you have $1,000 that you want to invest. Instead of letting it sit in a savings account earning minimal interest, you can put that money to work by investing in assets that have the potential to grow in value or provide regular income. This is how you can start building wealth. Step 2. Set your financial goals. To start investing, you need to set clear financial goals. What are you investing for? Is it retirement, buying a house, or funding your child's education? Having specific goals will help guide your investment decisions. Example 2. Let's say your goal is to save for a down payment on a house within the next 5 years. Knowing your time horizon and the amount of money you need will influence the type of investments you choose and the level of risk you're comfortable with. Step 3. Determine your risk tolerance. Investing involves risks, and it's important to determine your risk tolerance before jumping in. Risk tolerance refers to your comfort level with the ups and downs of the market and the potential for fluctuations in your investment value. Example 3. Imagine you're someone who prefers stability and is not comfortable with significant fluctuations in your investment value. In that case, you may lean towards more conservative investments like bonds or index funds, which tend to be less volatile compared to individual stocks. Step 4. Do your research and diversify. Before investing your hard-earned money, it's crucial to do your research. Understand the investment options available to you and learn about the companies or funds you're considering. Additionally, diversification is key. Example 4. Let's say you're interested in investing in stocks. Instead of putting all your money into a single company, consider diversifying your investments across different sectors and industries. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others may help balance it out, reducing overall risk. Step 5. Start investing and monitor your portfolio. Now that you've done your research and set your goals, it's time to start investing. Open an investment account with a reputable brokerage firm and begin allocating your funds based on your goals and risk tolerance. It's important to monitor your portfolio regularly. Example 5. Let's say you decide to invest in a mix of low-cost index funds that cover a broad market. You can set up automatic contributions from your bank account each month to invest consistently over time. Be sure to review your portfolio periodically and make adjustments if necessary. Conclusion. Host, congratulations! You've learned the basics of investing. Remember, understanding the fundamentals, setting financial goals, determining your risk tolerance, doing your research, and monitoring your portfolio are key to successful investing. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.